Hey everyone! Adding extra baggage to your Air Arabia flight after you've already booked is one of the smartest ways to save money, especially since airport fees in 2026 can be up to 90% higher. Here's the new method to secure your extra weight online in just a few clicks. Now we are in your flight dashboard. We're heading to the Modify/Add Extras section. We do this to see the list of available add-ons like meals, seats, and most importantly, baggage. Look for the icon or link labeled Add Extras and click on Add Baggage. For the best discount, up to 65% off, make sure to do this at least 4 hours before departure for weight concept routes or 30 hours before for piece concept routes. You'll see icons for different weight limits. In 2026, the most popular choice is the 30 kilogram tier, which often allows you to split the weight into 2 separate bags. Remember, no matter how much total weight you buy, a single suitcase cannot exceed 32 kilograms due to airport safety regulations. We do this to verify that you are getting the online discount rather than the expensive airport rate. The system will show you the original price of your ticket plus the new baggage fee. Adding baggage here is up to 90% cheaper than waiting until you get to the check-in counter. You might have to enter your credit card, debit card, or use your Air Rewards points if you have a minimum of 3,000 points saved up. Once you click Pay, the page will refresh and a new e-ticket will be generated. You will likely need to perform a 3D secure verification, an OTP from your bank, because it is a secondary transaction on an existing booking. Check your email immediately. Your updated itinerary will now clearly list your new baggage allowance. Open that PDF and look at the baggage section. It must now show your new weight, like 30 kilograms. If it still says 0 kilograms, the transaction didn't sync, and you should contact their live chat immediately. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.